gone, that means the youth matter. They gotta take care of the world after. The war will leave our kids, it's a big disaster. I pray to God he'll clean it up a little faster. In time, and I know that it's getting worse. Only time I feel at peace is when I'm in the church. I try to get by and just make it work. We need a superhero to save the earth. Ain't nobody coming though but God, folks. Better change your life or he arrives, bro. We all gonna see him when we die, though. That's why I'm trying to be ready for when I go. I'm shaking everybody, tell them wake up. Look around, they're taking God out the equation. But when it equals out, he can save us. Amen. Yo, it's time to meet your maker. Shout out to my man's Christian. Yeah, that was my man since I was still young. Life's different when you grow up. Thinking about the afterlife will change you. See, when I was a kid, I was senseless. I thought it was cool just to blaze blunts. Everybody's telling you don't do drugs. Sometimes we don't listen till we handcuffed. That still may not be enough. Don't wait till you're thinking that your life sucks. Looking for a ray of hope, that's when the light comes. God won't leave you in the dark, you can shine on. Thank you.